How to create animated travel maps like this. For free on your phone. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store. Then install an application called Multiple.dev Animated Travel Maps. Open the app. Sign in by entering your email address here. Then check your email for the verification process. Next step, tap the Settings button. Then select the video aspect ratio you need. And you can also change the background color if you want. Next, tap the Route menu. Then just enter the place or location of the animated journey to be headed to. You can add more than one location. But first delete the default location listed. You can also change the vehicle type, but you must upgrade to the premium service. Once you have entered all the locations, exit this screen and wait for the rendering process to take place. Finally, tap Export, enter the video title, then tap Download. After that, tap Save to Camera Roll. And allow this app to access media. And you're done. That's how to create a free travel map animation on your cell phone. Hopefully this video is useful. And thank you for watching.